As you can see by the title, I'm gonna try 3 different looks today using bobby pins. So there's been this trend that's been around for a while now, and I remember the first person that I saw kind of bring it to life was Rihanna, and it's the exposed bobby pin look. So I went out and I bought some brown bobby pins because I wanted people to be able to see them. I didn't want it to blend in with my hair. And you guys, I have never tried this before because I'm scared that my hair is too short. But you know what? I'm just gonna go for it because I've been dying to try it. You know, if it doesn't look good, then it doesn't look good. I won't ever do it again. But I just want to see how it'll look. And right now I have so much product in my hair. I'm actually kind of nervous at how it's gonna turn out because I have like no length here. We're gonna go for it. We're gonna see how it looks. And yeah. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my water bottle and I'm just gonna spray it. Because like I said earlier, I have a lot of buildup right now. Oh, I have so much product in my hair. It's a little cray-cray. And you would think because I have short hair that I would wash my hair every day. That's not the case. I mean, I probably should have washed my hair for this video because I have a lot of products. I have a lot of gel. It's like slippery. But whatever, let's do this. Let's do this. So I literally have no idea where this video is going, so bear with me. I'm gonna part my hair where I always do. And I think I wanna put some bobby pins kind of just on this side for now. Make that a look. I'm gonna use my Eco Style gel. And this is just gonna go kind of on this side. I'm not gonna really put it on my edges. I wonder if I should just kind of brush it down. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try this. Again, you guys, I haven't done this before. I'm literally just trying it right now. So I'm just putting some gel on, and I kind of want it to look like I got some length up here, so I'm gonna kind of pin it like that, maybe. Kind of brush it down. So now, let's go in with the bobby pins. I'm nervous. I'm really nervous. I don't know what to do. Let me just put it like this. Oh, that's kind of cute, you guys. I mean, I have no hair to grab, but it's kind of cute. It's like a little hair accessory. I mean, it is. I probably shouldn't have worn red lipstick for this video because, like, hello. I'm gonna crisscross it. Can you guys see it? So I crisscrossed one. I think I'm gonna crisscross this one too. Is that a pimple? Ugh. Oh, I'm losing it. I'm losing it. How does that look? Oh my goodness. I don't know if this is a good idea. And you can get as creative as you want with these. Because I've seen so many cool different designs. Okay, I kind of like how that looks there. No, I'm taking this one out. Okay, I like this. This little tic-tac-toe I got going on here. Kind of, sort of. Now I'm going in with my Curls Blueberry Bliss Control Paste. And this is going to go on my baby hairs, my edges, my edges. So the trick to this is you want to put a lot. You want to pile it on. You want to pile this bad boy on so it can stay. Ooh, okay. Okay, I like this. I like it. For the first look, I'm just going to do one side and then this side I'll have out. So this is the first look. This is cute. Okay, so for my next style, I'm going to, let's see, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Let's put some around the front here. Kind of just going like straight down. You don't wanna look like you're balding, so make sure you don't grab hold of your baby hairs in the front. I'm just gonna do this side for the second look. Let me take these off because this is not a part of the look anymore. Duh. You guys, I made an Instagram account. So if you're on the IG, holler at me. This is so cute. I'm obsessed. It's like very kind of messy. It's like a messy look, but then it's kind of very elegant. So it's elegant and it's messy. It's like the best of both worlds. So let me do this side. Okay, so this can be a look right here. Just one side. No, it's not a look. It's incomplete. Don't listen to me. We're gonna finish off this look right now. We're gonna add some on this side too. So yeah, this is the second look. I'm wondering what to do for my last look. Ooh, hold on a second. This is cute too. Like this side, just I got it. For our third look, we're gonna do half of one side, half of the other. And let's comb it down. You know what? I don't want to comb it down. Oh, too late. Actually, you can comb it down. Just comb it down. Do whatever you want. I'm scared of the zigzags. You know what? Let me do one right here. Right there. Let's do a number sign. A number symbol. There you go. And we're gonna do the same on this side. So this is the third look. You kind of do a little design on both sides. So there you have it. I gave you guys 3 looks, but this one was definitely my favorite. Do not forget to follow me on my Instagram account, which is @MargaritaPuff. I've literally made like 500 Instagram accounts and I've deleted every single one of them. So let's hope and pray that I don't delete this one. So you got homework, my friends. Let me know if you're digging the bold lip and which look was your fave. Also, if you have not already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace!